Are you looking for how to fix messenger message not show on screen? In this video, I show you how to fix messenger message not showing on screen problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, update Messenger. Now search for VPN. Install any VPN. Now go to Settings, tap on Apps or Application Management. Now search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger, tap on Storage, tap on Clear Data, tap on Delete, tap on Force Stop. Now back to home screen. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, connect your VPN app. Accept. Install VPN profile. Okay. Not now. Now connect your VPN. Now open Messenger app. Log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger message not show on screen or Messenger not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.